Animals adapt when their natural habitat changes. Seasonal changes can cause extreme weather conditions, which means animals need to adapt in order to survive. The Arctic hare has brown fur, which changes to white in the winter. This enables it to camouflage and hide from any predators. The Arctic hare's fur also grows longer and thicker to keep its body warm, whilst its nails grow thicker and stronger to enable it to dig deep in the snow looking for food. The porcupine has long, thick quills that mean that it can protect itself when it meets other animals in the wild. It is also a great tree climber because of its thick paw pads. Humans can also adapt to changes. Have a think about whenever you've had a bath or a swim. What happens to your fingers? That's right, they get wrinkled. That is your body adapting to the change in your environment, making it easy for you to grip on to anything at the side, even water.